Hey y'all, hey, so it's the day after Thanksgiving. I didn't really vlog the rest of my Thanksgiving because I was just hanging with my family or whatever, but yeah, so that's what's been going on. And right now I'm actually just playing Sims. I think I'm gonna add a little gameplay thingamajiggy in here so y'all can see like what I will be doing. Because I really don't be doing much, or whatever, but you know. Today I don't think I'm doing anything at all. I don't know if you guys, I didn't tell you guys, my car got towed this week. So, I have to go, do that, deal with that. And once I get that figured out, I'll be back to my normal self, I feel like. But yeah. So, because I just... Hey guys, so just want to do a little review. I finally got the, hold on, because my stuff is a little crazy right now. Don't slip. Okay, so I finally got the Snail mucin, the moisturizer. I think it's like a moisturizer. But it's for your acne, or for your skin. It's supposed to make your skin look great, feel great. So it says, being 96% snail secretion filtrate, this essence helps the skin to lose less moisture while keeping the skin smooth, moisturized, and looking healthy. So it says, after cleansing and toning, apply a small amount onto your entire face. Gently pat using fingertips to aid absorption and then apply the moisturizer. So I don't know if there's a moisturizer to this as well, but I'm gonna put it on before my regular moisturizer. I just washed my face and stuff. I washed my lashes.
I know the people behind you used to be like, yo.
It doesn't really have a smell. Oh, it's really like slimy.
Oh. Oh, what the? You better show man see what you said she is.
It feels good. It says do it with your fingertips. Please excuse the noise in the background. I'm with my family. It feels really good. I'm put some on my forehead.
That's not a woman.
Can't. Sorry, can't really see it, but. Alright. I feel like I look really refreshed already. And that might be because I just really washed my face. But you see the little glow? I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. And it kind of, you don't really feel it on your face. I could probably use this before putting on my makeup. Yeah. There's no smell to it, nothing. It kind of, is this like I feel like I'm rubbing my hands together and like stuff is coming off. Little stuff is like coming off from me rubbing my hands together. I don't know, I love it. Might as well just thing my eyelashes while I wash them. I just washed them, so I'm just trying to dry them. But yes, I just used the Snail mucin and I love it. I'll let you guys know like my reviews. I got this off of TikTok, honestly. I believe I paid $8. I want to say $8. So I'm excited to see where this goes. So it is the day before my Friendsgiving, and I Gotta get my stuff. I'm supposed to be making lasagna. Lasagna rolls. If you guys saw in my last vlog, I made lasagna rolls. This recipe I found. So I'm supposed to be making that, some jello shots, and Hawaiian rolls. Oh, I don't know about the jello shots. I might just get a bottle because it's cold right now. I really don't even feel like being out here. Respectfully. But
Oh, you didn't get no bags
for what?
to get your stuff
What stuff?
from the supermarket.
We need bags?
Yeah. You need to get back in there, but they love charging. That's why
My sister's fucking walking ahead of me like, bitch, we together. Not recording. It's 11:97. I mean, either way, it doesn't matter. I'll probably just get this right here. Yeah, I'm gonna just get this one. I might just get another one to make Emmy's food on tomorrow. No, she could wait. That's a lot. I don't know, but I'm gonna get that. All right. What?
You said you were going to get one for Emmy?
No, I don't have to get it. What else? Ricotta cheese or cheese over here? No, it's not over here. What the fuck?
It should be in the cold.
What spaghetti sauce? Ragu! Two, right? A big. I was gonna say just get a bigger one. These small shits. You don't want that big one? The big one.
Yes.
I used to tell lies, but I would never lie to you. Been spraying on my gun, looking all kinds of new.
Right, y'all, so I'm finna season the meat for Friendsgiving. Now, I don't got my case on, so it's a little, and I don't got the stand for the gimbal. So we just finna, I don't even know what's right here. You can see. Okay. I'm sorry, I'm watching a little video. You just see me not saying anything. But we getting this meat ready. stand in the bitch that's dumb. You ain't my son, you my motherfucking stepson. All these bitches is my sons. And I ain't going to get some hips on. A couple formulas, little pretty lips on. If I had a dick, I would pull it out and piss on. Y'all, I'm hanging with my cousin today. We're at a bar. We're about to get some drinks and just vibe. Guys, never seen her on my vlog. Yes. This is what I'm doing today for now. I'm not sure what I'm going to be doing later on. Probably just go home. And I'll probably see you guys tomorrow. Yeah. Ooh. That was good.
Where'd you go? Oh, you know how I've been living without you.
Alright, y'all, you already know, another day, another dollar. I'll be just trying to do something with my hair, but I'm about to just let it down because it's cold. My lashes look crazy. I'm going to get them done though this week. Nails done, everything's gonna be done.